Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for software and tech tutorials made simple. In today's video, we are diving into Autodesk Docs, the powerful document management tool that's part of the Autodesk Construction Cloud. Whether you're a project manager, architect, engineer, or contractor, Autodesk Docs helps you centralize and streamline document control across every phase of construction. So we will walk you through how to navigate the platform, upload and organize project files, manage permissions, collaborate with teams, and ensure your documents stay current and compliant. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to confidently use Autodesk Docs to bring clarity, structure, and control to your construction workflows. So grab your hard hats and let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of Autodesk Docs. On the top corner, you have an option to log in using your credentials. But of course, the better option is to click the Start Free Trial for 30 days. If you do, you will be forwarded to a new page. It's kind of simple. All I have to do is provide all the information needed and click the account creation option. If your request for the free trial has been approved, once you have successfully created your account, you will be forwarded to the main landing page of the Autodesk Construction Cloud, which is going to be the Docs, which is the first homepage after logging in. On the top corner, you have all these options like the Plan Grid, which is going to be the productivity software for real-time field collaboration. So it's used primarily on site to manage and mark up blueprints, track progress, and share updates in real time. If you don't have an account here, just go to the next section, which is going to be the Building Connected. Now, this is going to be another pre-construction platform for bid management and contractor communication. And then there is the Trade app. The Trade app refers to the risk management tool for subcontractor qualification, helping you assess and qualify subcontractors before they are hired. And then it also has the P-type AutoSpecs, which is going to be the automated specification analysis tool, streamlining the process of extracting submittal register data from construction specifications. But the most important part of the Autodesk Construction Cloud Docs is to create a new project. Now, if you want to click the Create a Project, you can choose from any of the following, but I am going to show you the most easier way. You can create a project template if you want, but since we are not a member of any project templates, we're going to click the project instead. Click the Create Project, and the project name is going to be this one right here. Okay, so let's do that. Project number, if you wanted to enter a project number, say for example, select account, we're going to be using this. Project type is maybe, is it going to be a performing arts, theme park, parking structure, maybe like an office. Select a template. So if you don't have any template yet, you can do that. Enter a location, time zone, and a project value. Right? So for now, let's going to put this into perspective. We're going to create the project. Once you've done that, since we have already our project already created in the docs, you can view the buying options. Now here on the left side is going to be, this is going to be the member section where you can manage who has access to your project. Of course, you can add members and remove users if you want. In this case, we're going to add a new member. Right, so you can add project members, maximum of 100 email address. So what I'm gonna do is add someone here, okay, in this instance, and then press the enter button. So you can choose the role here, like viewer, editor, admin, and you can set folder level permissions to control who can view, upload, edit, or approve documents, which is kind of ideal for keeping the right people connected while maintaining access control. All right. So I am the project admin, but of course you can also have the insights and account admin, and press the enter right here and click the send invitations. It's very easy. Now, in terms of the companies, this is where you manage the organizations or subcontractors involved in the project. Each user is associated with a company, and companies can be grouped or filtered for reporting and permissioning purposes. If you want to click the add company, all right, so we're going to enter the name right here. You need to select the trade, for example, architecture or concrete, enter the web address, and click the add company for now, which is useful for managing collaboration across multiple firms or project stakeholders. We have that already added. Now, the bridge is the Autodesk Docs feature for sharing files across projects or account, even with different companies. All right, you have the bridge projects, outgoing and incoming. You can send documents between separate Autodesk Docs projects, keeping control with permissions and version history. You can set up automatic syncs if needed, and this bridges the gap between collaborators working on separate platforms or project hubs. Since this is going to be a newly created account, we don't have anything yet here. The handover streamlines the project closeout process because you can prepare the final documentation for client recovery, export approved files and metadata, and ensure all reconstruction records are transferred cleanly. Now it simplifies turning over complete and accurate data packages to clients or facility managers. Now the activity is the audit trail of what's happening in your project. Here you can view who uploaded, edited, moved, or deleted files. You can track comments, approvals, and workflow actions, and of course ensuring transparency and helping troubleshoot document issues or compliance requirements. Now the notifications is where you manage alerts and updates. You have the you can create notification groups right here. For example, architect, test 2, and all these information right here. Okay, we're gonna do that and click the create button, helping you stay on top of tasks without being overwhelmed by irrelevant alerts. All right. The location allows you to define and design physical address or locations or zones to documents. All right. Like for example, if you want to make your document search, filtering, and usage more spatially intuitive, add the sub location. All right. You can have this, click the plus button, which is kind of helpful, especially during inspections or QA or even quality control. Now, if you click the view buying options, you will be forwarded here. You can have flexible pricing options and you can choose from any of the following pricing plans. All right. And with that being said, and that wraps up our walkthrough on how to use Autodesk